Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a broken vacuum line. You can see there where it's snapped. And a lot of times they put these flimsy, brittle plastic ones in the vehicles. I know sometimes you can upgrade them to the metal ones, but if you've got these cheap, flimsy ones like in this vehicle here, sometimes if you're working under the hood, you can just bump into these things, or if you're moving stuff, you'll hit them and they just snap. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video, is how you can put them back together very easy, inexpensive, without having to replace that whole line. Let me show you what you'll need to complete this video. You'll need a pack of some universal vacuum line connectors. You can pick these up at AutoZone, Advance Auto, O'Reilly's, places like that. I'll put the pricing and information along the bottom where I got it. And then also you'll need a tube of this black RTV silicone. You can pick this up anywhere as well. You can order it online, Harbor Freight, places like that. I'll put that information as well along the bottom. But pretty much just these two items is what you'll need in order to be able to put that vacuum line back together. What you're going to want to do is open up the pack of the connectors, and you want to make sure that you find the correct connector that matches the diameter of the vacuum line. So you'll just have to pretty much put it up to it and see which one fits in. You want it to be snug, you don't want it to be loose. That way you can put it in, have a nice tight connection on both sides, and then we'll use the RTV silicone to then seal around it. That way there's no openings or any kind of a vacuum leak there, and that'll tighten everything up. So we'll take this connector, we'll slide it here. Can't really. So here's what I did, is I connected it on this end. Now we're going to bring in this part of the line, feed it here into the front. And unfortunately I can't show it too well, but I'm going to connect it and then we'll be back to look at it. And there you can see it all put together. I'll get a close-up. And as we're looking right here, you can see I have a nice tight fit, both ends going in. We were able to match up the outer diameter of the vacuum line with the inner of the connector, so it's nice and snug going in there. You can see that. So now the next thing that I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and get the black RTV silicone, so that way we can then put it in on both ends right there, seal it real good, that way we have a nice tight vacuum seal. Coming along with the black RTV, we're going to go ahead and apply it, as we said, on both ends. Okay. Let's see here. We're going to seal it all around on both sides. So I'm going to go ahead and seal it, and then we'll be back to take a look at it. All right, well, that pretty much wraps it up. That vacuum line now has been reconnected with that vacuum line connector. We went ahead and sealed it with the black silicone, the RTV. We'll let that dry now, and then we should be good to go. So that wraps up this video. I hope it was informative for you. I hope it helped you out with anything you're working on. Please send me any questions, any comments. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all the support. So please like this video and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time.